Hey, what's up guys, Wicked Android HD here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to flash by using ODIN, the latest version, the latest update shared from Samsung for our I9505 device. So it is a Lollipop update, an official update this time. It's not a leak, it's not anything else besides an official update, and we're gonna be flashing this by using ODIN. So it's been a long time since I've been using ODIN, but things are staying kind of the same, and we'll be fine. So first of all, if you're using a custom ROM like I do, I recommend making an Android backup before flashing this update, because afterwards you will be able to come back to your official maybe ROM or custom ROM or whatever you use, to a stable one. Besides of that, if you're using custom recovery like I do right here, I'm using Feels Touch 6 recovery. All you have to do is to go into wipe and format options and then clean to install a new ROM, and then click yes, and this will do the trick for you. Okay, and afterwards let's get into the PC part. Let me focus. I think the camera is, yeah, I think that's better. Yeah, let's get into the PC part right now. So we're here in the PC, and right now my device is wiping data. As you may see here, I have ODIN 3.10 version, 3.10.6 actually. I'll put a link in the description for you to download this. It's the latest ODIN, and it's recommended to flash this firmware by using this. So right now it says, we focus, it says, yeah, wipe complete. Okay, and afterwards you need to get into download mode in order to do this. If you have a custom recovery, there is a little option here in recovery settings, and it says no, not here, into power options, sorry, to power option, and it says reboot into download mode. But if you don't have custom recovery, we're just gonna be powering off our device, and then we're gonna get like a normal Samsung Galaxy S4 user running a stock firmware will do. So I think the device is powered off right now. Anyways, how do you turn your download mode? How do you turn your device into download mode? Just press the volume down button. Let me focus a little bit better. A volume down button this time, along with the power button, the home button, sorry, and the power button here. This one. So press these three buttons simultaneously until you'll feel a vibration, and then press them again, and you can see it says entering download mode warning. So you press volume up in order to get into download mode, as you may see here. So downloading. Right now you will have to have an USB USB cable. Sorry, I'm a little bit tired. I've been working all day long and my language is a little bit blah blah, but you need to get your USB cable and connect it to your Galaxy S4. And as you may see on the main screen right now, it says log ID 0/004 added. It means that your device is recognized by your PC. If you don't see this, please wait, because most likely your device is installing drivers from your Samsung device and will take some time, up to maybe 3 or 4 minutes. but it's not very sorry, it's not very difficult. It will take some time though. Okay, so we're into ODIN right now. Sorry, I think I'm gonna cut this shit. Okay, so we're into ODIN right now, and as you may see, there are 4 sections here: bootloader, AP, CP and CSC. And we have the official file, and I'm gonna attach a link into the description of a mega link to download this firmware. And all you have to do is to click AP and then go to desktop and select this MD5 file. It says please wait, checking MD5. It will say not responding because it's checking right now, but it should be fine after it finishes checking. As you may see, so you should be fine by now. So it says binary size about 2.5 gig, which is kind of a big firmware for our Samsung Galaxy S4. So afterwards you'll need to make sure, go into options and make sure that auto reboot is ticked, repartition is unticked, and every reset time is ticked. Everything else should be left as it is. So after your device is fully connected and recognized by ODIN, all you have to do is to click start. Okay, and right now it is flashing the firmware. As you may see, the blue line is showing up on the Samsung Galaxy S4 screen, and it may take up to maybe 10 minutes. So I'll get back to you guys after it finishes flashing, and of course I'll be doing a detailed overview of how this official Lollipop firmware is gonna be reacting, is gonna be working on your Galaxy S4 and of course on my Galaxy S4, so stay tuned guys. Okay guys, so it's almost done. One thing I should mention before proceeding to the next thing is that first booting will take well, up to 20 minutes or even more. You may be lucky, but the thing is that Android Lollipop is using a different type of cache called ART, and converting cache from Dalvik cache to ART will take some time, so that's why the first booting process will take up maybe up to 15 or 20 minutes. So right now you will see that the flashing process will be finished and the device is gonna be rebooting. So let me focus. Okay, it says reset, and now device is booting up. So you see Galaxy S4. It says recovery booting right there on the top, and right now as you may see it's flashing everything it needs to boot up, just like an official firmware. So this is very important for you to know. I think it's gonna take a while, so it's actually very very fun because his ears are actually moving, if you can see, but yeah, they're actually moving, which makes it a little bit funny. So right now my device is rebooting. Damn focus! I always set my focus to manual because the sound it makes while auto-focusing is a completely mess, and I don't have a separate microphone in order to get rid of the noise. So right now the boot animation appears. Right now your device not bad. Your device is now running Android Lollipop. So after the initial boot up, I'll get back to you guys to make detailed overview of what is this firmware and how it runs on your Galaxy S4, so stay tuned. So we're booted up into official Android L from Samsung, and the first thing you'll notice is the lock screen, which is very beautifully designed, new fresh look design. As you may see, I have here 3 notifications. I sent myself a message, and if I slide down, actually if you long press on it, you will see when it was received. And if you slide down the message, now you will be able to call the person who sent you a message or reply them. Down here you'll have all your notifications displayed, including your Gmails along with the Google Play updates and the those from the Google storage. How to unlock this? Firstly, I'll need to unlock this by setting up my pattern, and here we are using the TouchWiz launcher, new beautifully designed launcher with new fresh animations, along with new options, redefined and redesigned. Right here, wallpapers. Let's see if we have some different wallpapers. For example, I think I'll choose this one. Yeah, it looks very good, along with the weather, of course. Here you may see a toaster telling you that you have one unread message. So there's not much to be told here. If we press this widget, you'll get into the weather part. Okay, and some beautiful animations on the widget itself. So let's get into the phone app and see what changes does this bring us. So I'm gonna be calling my number, not really my number, I'm gonna be calling something and see how it looks like. So it looks like this. Again, slide up animations, contacts. As you may see, I'm recording this at 60 frames per second, and lag may appear, and it does appear very often, unfortunately. Samsung didn't resolve this problem at all with its overloaded interface. So if you go into Task Manager, as you may see, 139 gig out of 178, which is very bad in my opinion. So yeah, lag may appear from time to time. Let's get into the clock. New clock design, stopwatch, timer, and of course the desktop. You may set up your your device as a desk clock. As planner, the calendar has been also redesigned. Camera app, gallery app, calculator. Yeah, nice fresh look, colorful, material design. Voice recorder also has been redefined. My files now includes 4 categories, sorting out your files into music, documents, and so on. Settings, we'll dive into this later to see what's working and what's not. Messages, as I showed you earlier. Internet, chat on Samsung apps and usual Samsung shit. Music. Let's see how the music widget looks like. So we're gonna go into tracks. We're gonna play some music. Okay, I'm gonna be turning the music off. If you slide down the notification, you will see the widget. itself, notification widget, along with some serious lag. On the lock screen you will see that the background has been changed to the album art and the music widget. Again, some serious lag here, Samsung, and that's very bad. As voice, as translator, and usual shit from Samsung. As health, photos, some Google apps here, Chrome, Dropbox, and Knox from Samsung. Okay, so let's dive into settings. As you may see, Wi-Fi is fully working with no problems connected to my network. Bluetooth, let's see if, yeah, it turns on. Data usage, let's see. Yeah, you can set up your mobile data here, more networks. Let's see if I can, yeah, I can change up right now my network mode. Finally. Right now I guess it's set to 2G to 4G. Okay, NFC working. Let's dive into my device lock screen. Secure with pattern, everything else works perfectly. I tested, believe me. And I heard that there was some problems with the silent mode. Here it is perfectly working. So vibrate and silent mode. Display, daydream, preview. So this is how it looks like. Flipboard. Let's see how this looks like. Okay, really nice. Yes, I have to sign in and usual shit. Font size, default font, and some feedback options. LED indicator. Haven't tested it, but let's see if the LED indicator works. Let me connect my external battery and of course turn on the battery. Right now, as you may see, it's charging, but no LED support. Oh, right now the LED is displayed. But yeah, it's working. LED is working. Okay. Other things. As you may see, some serious lag, which I'm not really proud of. Of course, it's a stock firmware, but Samsung, that's bad, really bad. I was expecting more from this art, from gesturing this kind of art cache, but no, Samsung. Bill number, battery is low. Bill number, let's activate the developer options and see if we can make this faster by turning off the animations. Animation scale off. That's not really the point of Lollipop, because it benefits of some beautiful animations, but as you may see, it opens faster. Oh my god, that's some serious lag between changing apps. Yeah, unfortunately this isn't the best update from Samsung, as I'm gonna show you guys right now, and I'm running the latest update. Android version 5.0.1 Lollipop. You can play some shit. This game is really getting on my nerves. 1, I got 1, 0. Okay guys, this is really fucked up. Okay, I'm getting very nervous, and that's not really good. Baseband version OB7. build number OB7, everything is set to OB7, Knox version. The battery, haven't tested yet, I don't have time to test it though. 15%, yeah, running out of battery. Anything less to be told about this update? Very laggy. Let's browse an internet page. GSM Arena, for example. .com. And let's get into, oh my god, desktop version. Kind of acting very good, but take a look at this. I know this was a long problem with Samsung's browsers. If we press the tab, oh, kind of responsive. I get rid of that tab, but as you may see, the widget, clock widget and weather widget was killed. Right now the RAM is staying kind of good. Let's clear memory and see. 097. Decent. I'd rather say decent, but decent was the KitKat. Decent was KitKat, and this is maybe a decent KitKat version, but it's not an improvement over KitKat, believe me. This is very laggy. I think I'll stick to AOSP for now, guys. I'm really tired of Samsung's shit, because this isn't that fast as I want it to be, and of course as you want it to be. So yeah, unfortunately that was for this night, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I have nothing to do with Samsung. This is a very personal opinion about what Samsung did with this firmware, Lollipop firmware. I believe it is laggy. I don't know if it is a first impression and it will solve it by time, but this is my first impression. This is a laggy device running the latest Android TouchWiz based official stock ROM, and yeah, I hope you like it, guys. Wicked Android is out. Bye bye.